Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to request MI TV installation online. For TV installation request, you have to open the browser on your phone or laptop or desktop and type MI TV installation request. From the search results, you need to visit this website, hate2waitapp.com. You have to click on this link, and here you can see that a form will be given. You have to fill this entire form. Let's go through it. Select the service type. I am selecting installation. After entering the pin code, it will take your state as well as city, and after that you have to enter the name. After entering the name, you have to enter the mobile number, and after entering the mobile number you have to enter your email ID, and after that you have to enter the alternate number. If the primary number doesn't work, they will call you to the secondary number. After that you have to enter the complete address, and after that you have to select the user type, whether you are end user, retailer or distributor. Since we are a end user, we need to select end user, and after that you have to select the model number. See here, it will show the complete list of MI TV. You have to select the model. I am going to select MI TV 4A Pro 49-inch, and after that you have to enter the serial number. Serial number will be on your TV box. After entering the serial number, you have to select purchase from. You have to select whether you have purchased from Mi Home, Me.com, Flipkart, Amazon or offline. Select whatever it is applicable. I am going to select Amazon. After that you have to enter the order number. The order number will be on the bill. You can check the bill and enter the order number. And after entering the order number, you have to select the date of delivery and invoice number. Invoice number is also located on the bill, and the invoice date. After entering the invoice date, you have to select type of installation. When you click on that, you can see that there are two options, table mount or wall mount. You have to select accordingly. I am going to select wall mount, and after that wall mount stand required. You have to select that yes or no. Since I have wall mount already, I am going to select on no. If you require wall mount, you need to click on yes. For that you have to pay $4.99 extra. After that you have to select the preferred date. Here you can see that it will show the preferred dates, and after selecting the date you have to select the preferred time slot, and after entering all these fields you have to click on submit. After clicking on submit, you will get a message, congratulations, you are in queue, and it will give the date and time. That's it guys. In this way you can request for MI TV installation online. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.